Good morning, everybody. Today I will discuss a new chapter, and the name of the chapter is Formatting Text in Word. Basically, this is a chapter number 9, and in chapter number 8, you aware about some basic concept of Microsoft Word 2016. So before starting this chapter, we should know the meaning of formatting. So what is the meaning of formatting? The formatting meaning is changing the appearance and arrangement of the text. Changing the appearance and arrangement of a text in a document is called formatting. So which type of which type of changes you can do? You can change the typeface of a text. You can change the size, color, style, or case, that means upper or smaller, that means uppercase or smaller case. You can changing arrangement of the text, that means you can arrange your text, that means make some space from left side, from top side, from down side. This type of arrangement you can do, that is enclosing it within borders or applying shading on it. That means you can make some borders around the text, or you can apply some shading on text or etc. So these all types of activities is comes to the formatting. So that's the meaning is formatting or changing the appearance and arrangement of the text or documents. Next come to the text formatting using font group. That means the first I'm starting with the font group. That means we will do all the activities in the starting from the font group. So the first thing is I'm going to change the typeface. I'm going to change the typeface. So what is the meaning of typeface? Basically, students, typeface is to change the writing style. The writing letters styles, or you can say alphabets will be appear in different shapes. Alphabets will appear in different shapes. So let me do it. And some steps, if you go with your book step by step. So these steps are changing the font. First, let the text you want to format. That means first you select the text to which you want to format. So I have written some text. Suppose I want to format this only our school. I will select these all. Next step, you can go from your that is book. Next one is click the drop down arrow in the font group. Just go to the font group. This is the font group. That means I have to select this home tab. Then there will be a font group, and here the drop down list. Okay, so you can see font and drop down list. Calibri, that is Times New Roman, and many typefaces are available, which you can choose according to your that means to which styles you want. You can change. Suppose I want to this one like this style our school, so I can change this one. So which style? This one, engravers empty. And next one is a list of font appears. As you have seen, many fonts, many faces are available. Where available, you can change by this. Next one is, so next heading is changing the font size. So how you can change the font size of your text? So the same thing is, first you need to select the text to which you want to change, and drop down list will appear. Click the drop down arrow in the font size box. A list of text size appears. Click on the size you want to use, and what changes the size of the selected text. So let me do for you. Suppose I want to change the size of this rural, and before changing the size I want to discuss with you that is Microsoft Word is having the minimum size 8. You can see here the minimum size is 8, and by default it comes on 11. So if it will come on 11 if you open this Microsoft Word. So I can change this by the drop down by selecting the drop down. So suppose I want to keep this on 12, I can 24. So just 36, I just select and click on here. So my size, my text size, the selected text size is changed right now. Next one is changing the font color. The same thing, to select which you want to change select the text to which you want to change the color. So next one, click the drop down arrow in this letter A, and font color box, a color plate is displayed. Click the color you want to use. So this, let me change, suppose I want to change this color rural, and on the home tab you can see here this one I will click here. This color plate, this is called color plate. This color plate will appear. I can choose, I can select any color from here. Just I say I want to select this red one. This selected text is appeared in the red color. So these are the things. Changing the font style, that means you can use bold, you can use italic, you can do underline, options to add emphasis to the text to your document. So how you can do the same thing is, select the text you want to format, click on B button, I button, U button, that means bold button, B for bold, I for italic, and U for underline. We just check it from here. Just I select rural, then you can see in the font group there are bold. I want to do is bold, then if I again select italic, then underline, then these three buttons I have applied on the single text rural. You can see here our text is just inclined, that means it is italic, and there is a line under just below to this particular text. So this is underline U, this is done by U, and next one is, it is bold. So this format is applied on my particular rural, that is rural text. So text formatting using the font dialog box we will do in the next video. So I hope these all concepts are clear for you, which I discussed in today's video. So thank you everybody for watching this today's video. Thank you.